Among Asian archerfish, it's the biggest that gets the most food. And they have an extraordinary method of catching prey. They fire a powerful jet of water at their target. The best shooters will grow quickest. With food scarce, there's a race among small fish to master the water jet technique. But it's difficult to perfect. A fish must adjust its jet based on the prey's size and distance, and then compensate for the way light bends as it passes through the water surface. Getting it right can take hundreds of attempts.